everything will change with the arrival of ESSENTYS, developed with a differentiated technology to not just be another brush. This is the essential brush for your day-to-day. With a simple back and forth movement, its 3 heads with flexible arms and soft bristles at 45 degrees reach all sides of the tooth at the same time, but in a simple, quick, and intelligent way, exactly as indicated by the American Dental Association. It is a totally new and more efficient way of taking care of your own teeth. ESSENTYS' ease of use makes it the perfect brush for users of any age. But the biggest beneficiaries of this revolutionary toothbrush are children who are learning to brush their own teeth on their own, elderlies, and, in special, people with reduced mobility. In these difficult times, when taking care of body well-being is vital, ensuring oral health with ease, safety, and efficiency is more than essential. It's ESSENTYS.